When particles vary in scale and distance, the design suddenly feels three-dimensional. Today, how to explore particle density balance. Launch Adobe Photoshop and create a 1920 by 1080 canvas with a deep charcoal background. Add a new white layer and apply Add Noise around 80% using Gaussian and monochromatic settings. Open levels and tighten the sliders until bright speckles appear. Change the blend mode to screen so only the lighter particles remain visible. Duplicate the layer and apply Gaussian blur around 1.5 pixels to simulate particles that are farther away. Reduce the opacity